Bernina 335 and 325. Our video tutorial explains cleaning and oiling. It is important to clean and oil the machine regularly. This can be after a project or before starting the next project. Instructions on how to clean and oil the machine can be found in the tutorial. For safety reasons, the machine must be switched off for maintenance. Remove the presser foot and the needle. Clean the machine and the screen with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Remove the stitch plate and clean the area with the brush. Open the bobbin cover, remove the bobbin case. Push the release lever to the left, lower the black hook race cover, remove the hook. Clean the hook race. It is important to use only the supplied Bernina oil, as the oils differ in viscosity depending on the model. Place 1 drop of oil into the hook race. Insert the hook. Close the hook race cover. The locking pin must engage. Check by turning the hand wheel for 1 stitch. Attach the stitch plate and the presser foot. Our tip: to achieve beautiful seams, the needle should be replaced frequently as it wears out over time. Insert the needle with the flat side to the back, as far up as it will go into the needle holder, and tighten the screw. Turn the machine on. Run it for a short time without thread to distribute the oil and prevent soiling your work. Insert the bobbin case. Close the bobbin cover. The machine is ready for sewing.
Bernina, made to create.